feel that the First Choice Repair Network is an asset to Security First Insurance because they want to take you all the way through the insurance claim. You have people that they can rely on that are vetted in their network that are going to do a good job and continue to take care of the customer beyond just the claim itself. They're going to make sure that everything is taken care of, repaired, and extended beyond that. There's warranties that are going to ensure that if anything does go wrong, they have that repair network that is going to back that up. It's different. It's different in the insurance industry that they have this, and it's great for their customers for the long term, and gets them back on their feet, gets them back into their homes as quick as possible with really good service. So we appreciate being a part of it.
So many homeowners that I encountered in the services we provide have never had a claim before, really don't understand any of the claims process or the construction processes involved in getting their home back to pre-damaged state. So if you didn't have the First Choice Repair Network and just sent checks to homeowners, then they would be at the mercy of multiple contractors that may take advantage of them, may not talk them through, help them through the entire process. And honestly, it's just not something average people are used to having to do more than maybe once in their life. So the fact that the First Choice Repair Network can actually guide them through that and make it seamless and less confusing, less stressful for them is a huge advantage.
I really believe that First Choice Repair Network is an asset to Security First customers. It's also an asset to homeowners and insureds who become our customers, because my experience is that First Choice Repair Network is very consumer centric. They look out for the insured, and the First Choice Repair Network allows the homeowner to be well served by a reputable contractor in a way that makes it so that they are properly indemnified by the provisions of their policy.